Ever wondered how your smartphone got so smart? Or how we went from room-sized computers to chips smaller than your fingernail? It all started with a tiny revolution, the Intel 4004 microprocessor. Back in 1971, this little chip was a complete game-changer. Imagine, just 1/8 of an inch wide, 1/6 of an inch long, and packed with 2,300 transistors. Before the 4004, computers were literal giants, machines like the ENIAC, filling entire rooms with noisy vacuum tubes and wires everywhere. But then, a group of visionaries at Intel pulled off the impossible. Ted Hoff, Stanley Mazer, Federico Faggin, and Masatoshi Shima took the power of those massive machines and shrank it onto a single chip. That's right, the Intel 4004 had the same punch as the room-size ENIAC, but could literally fit in your pocket. Its first gig? Powering a humble calculator, the Busicom 141PF. But that was just the beginning. That same chip design became the blueprint for everything. Personal computers, laptops, smartphones, even the tech that drives AI today. And get this, the 4004 even went to space. In 1972, the Pioneer 10 spacecraft carried an Intel 4004 on its journey through the asteroid belt and beyond. That's right, this tiny titan played a role in exploring the cosmos. So next time you pick up your phone or open your laptop, remember where it all began, with a chip smaller than your thumbnail, but big enough to invent the future. If you love stories like this, hit like, share, and subscribe for more tech history.